Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Panasonic TV with a model number TC-either 55, 60, or 65 CX650, I'll put the model numbers in the description so you can check and be sure. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now we're going to talk about two different ways to do this, but first of all, there's two different reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this TV is not working, not making sound, not connecting, if it's not responding, if it's glitching, all those kind of issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason that you might want to do this is if you're just trying to set this up as a new TV and get everything wiped off of it. Now, the first way to do this is just through the setup menu. Really simply, just press the menu button on the remote and then go to Setup, System, Factory Default, and then a yes to confirm it. So Setup, System, Factory Default, and confirm it with a yes. But if the TV is not responding or something like that, and you just want to do it via the physical buttons, we can go ahead and do this. The TV needs to be on, and then you're going to find the volume down button on the back of the TV and the menu button on the remote control, which is just below the power button on the left side. And you just need to press and hold simultaneously that volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the controller for at least 5 seconds. After those 5 or so seconds, we can just go ahead and unplug the TV, release the buttons, wait a few seconds, and then go ahead and plug the TV back in, and it will turn on into its factory default mode.